In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to upload an HTML file to your Wix website. It's a process that might seem intimidating if you're doing it for the first time, but I promise you, it's easier than you think. This guide uses the website editor on editor.wix.com, a tool made to make your web development experience as smooth as possible. So let's start with getting you to the Wix website editor. This is essentially the control room of your website, where you will make the majority of your changes and updates. You will want to navigate to this editor for your specific website to begin the process of uploading your HTML file. Once you are in the Wix website editor, it's time to engage with the site's interface. Look for a plus icon, which is aptly named Add Elements. This icon essentially allows you to add different aspects to your overall website layout. Please go ahead and give that a click. After clicking on Add Elements, a variety of different options will pop up. Among these options, you'll be looking for one named Embed Code. This is the feature that allows you to add external pieces of code to your website, which in this case will be your HTML file. Click on the Embed Code option to proceed further. Your next step is to click on Embed HTML. When you click on this option, it might seem like you're just repeating the previous step, but what you're really doing is specifying that the code you want to embed is specifically an HTML code. At this point, you'll notice a pop-up appearing on your screen. This pop-up window is where you will paste your HTML code. So take your HTML code, copy it, and then paste it into this pop-up window. Ensure that you paste the code correctly, as any errors could lead to problems with your website later on. The final step in this process is to simply click on Apply. This will save the HTML code you pasted and incorporate it into the designated place in your website structure. And there you have it. You've just uploaded an HTML file to your Wix website. A moment ago, it might have seemed like a mountain of a task, but with this guided process, I hope you found it as easy as a stroll in